तो दोस्तों नंबर 5 पे है शेडो ऑफ टॉम राइडर।
I thought I knew why I came here. I saw it. The end. It was so vivid. But now the truth feels further away than ever. I still have so many questions.
You said you were going out, but I heard you through the wall. I said don't go far. You had me searching for a reason, but I was in the dark.
We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Let's think this through.
Do you realize the tragedy you have unleashed? The cleansing has begun. It falls to me now to stop it before it consumes us all.
What have I done?
What a shame. What a waste for you to be put under the water. What a shame you can't hear me. I speak louder. Thought you could keep me in reserve.
I know that it's not practical.
While you made up your mind.
I know that it's hard to believe.
Could I hold myself back? Well, you fed me a fable, but I know the taste of life.
You don't know that you caused all this, Laura!
You need to trust me.
We have to trust each other.
I speak louder.
He wants to alter the course of humanity. If you had that power, what would you do?
नंबर 4 पे है असैसिन क्रीड्स ओडिसी।
How can a child save us all if he's sentenced to die? Tell me, Nikolaos. Tell me before you let our son go.
Where we begin does not define who we will become. Before you, I see a path. Built by friendship and family, love and loss, war and bloodshed.
You were sent by the gods to protect this world.
You carry the blade of Leonidas. Act like it.
As you write your odyssey across the mountains and the seas, remember, the fate of Greece journeys with you.
Sentenced to die. Sentenced to die. Tell me, Nikolaos. Tell me before you let our son go.
Where we begin does not define who we will become. Before you, I see a path. Built by friendship and family. Love and loss. War and bloodshed.
You were sent by the gods to protect this world.
You carry the blade of Leonidas. Act like it. As you write your odyssey across the mountains and the seas, remember, the fate of Greece journeys with you.
When the world falls into darkness, some men have the courage to lead it out. You have to accept the world as it is, or fight.
Detroit. This is where it all began. The world's forge. The place where it all started. And it will all end.
Please, please, you gotta save my little girl.
I told you to wait here, so you shut the fuck up and you wait here.
Violence is the only language humans understand.
Look what you did!
My name is Kara.
My name is Connor.
This is our story.
तो दोस्तों जो नंबर 1 पर है वो है अनडाउटली स्पाइडरमैन।
What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
Peter Parker, how the hell are you?
The city is in danger. It needs our help.
All of our help. Alright, well, call the play, coach. Gang of costume nutjobs is taking the city apart piece by piece. Time I return the favor.
This is opportunity knocking.
You know the closer you get to them, the more you become a target, right?
The closer I get, the better chance we have to stop them.
I've ordered Silver Sable and her team to shoot you on sight. This city's had enough of your vigilantism. You're officially an enemy of the people.
Come on, Peter.
I mean, you have like a cell phone in your pockets or something?
PlayStation